This is the Mobile Philosopher once again, and in this video we're going to see how to add and use a function, a simple function possibility in a Google spreadsheet. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create one. So we're going to go into our Google Drive here, and we're going to click on Create, click on a Google spreadsheet. This is going to open up. As you guys can see, this looks very similar or equal to Excel. We're going to click on this to change the title. I'll put this as Test 222. And now we're in our simple, very simple Google spreadsheet here. So let's say I want to do a very simple sum option as we normally use here in Excel. I can put numbers here in the first cells here and here in this other box here. As we would do in Excel, we're just going to click equals, put sum, and what this gives me is the possibility of adding this option. And what's nice here is that it will give me a very quick summary of what this does. So here we have the classical sum, and it says syntax sum, gives you the possibilities of what there is, and it adds all numbers in a range of cells. So very clear. And a key, I can always go here and find out some more details about these things, but for right now we're going to leave it like that. Going back here, and we're going to, as we would do in Excel, select these cells here. And, oh, okay, so we have to go back here, I'm sorry. I'm going to click on equals, sum, parentheses, and add these up here. And we're going to close that parentheses and click on enter. And as you can see, it will add these up for me. Now, can I do this again? Yes, I can. Actually go here, equals, sum, enter, add the parentheses here, and then I can grab all of these. Close parentheses, enter, and I will have it again. So it's very simple to use the functions, as you can see, in a classical Google spreadsheet here in Google Drive. Now, let's say I want to do other options here. Let's say I want to add another function. That's fine. I can always go here to the top here to the toolbar, and as you can see, it gives me this symbol that says functions. If I click on this, I'm going to have other possibilities to choose a function here to add those functions to my Google spreadsheet. As well, if for some reason I don't know what option I want, or I want to see other options, I can always go here to More Functions. If I click on More Functions, it's going to open up a new web page which will offer me the possibility of seeing in more detail every function that's possible and available within a Google spreadsheet. If I want to look for something, I can always put it here, and it will offer me the option that I'm looking for. Lookup, VLOOKUP, and then will tell me what I can do with this wonderful option here. And as like I said, this is a new web page, so you can always go back to the original while you're working, check this, and then switch back and forth to see the possibilities of whatever functions I need to add to my spreadsheet here. And that is how we add and use functions in Google Spreadsheets.